Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down right here where you have the battery and Wi-Fi, like so. This will bring out a bunch of toggles, and in this square where you have the mobile network, I believe, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can hold it. This will extend it and give you a couple more options, which one of those I hope is... well, not the Do Not Disturb mode, apparently. Oh, it's going to be here, under focus. So as you can see under focus, when you hold it, it does give you the Do Not Disturb right here. We can click on the three dots and turn it on right away. Select some settings, and we can also actually navigate into the settings where we have a bit more control over it. So go over it, customize it to fit your needs. You also have the option to set it up as a schedule if you want to. And if you do set it up as a schedule, you don't really need to do anything apart from enabling the schedule itself. But if you want to use it manually, just find the toggle and tap on it. Now, as you can see, by default it was set to focus, but once you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, it will switch to that toggle. So now whenever I pull it down, it's selected Do Not Disturb mode. I can tap on the icon, and as you can see, it retains the moon icon for the focus, so we can just tap on it again, and it does say Do Not Disturb on. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.